Whether you're painting a dresser, cabinets, or tables, the right paint sprayer can make all of the difference. As a DIYer, I understand how important it is to find the perfect tool for the job. That's why today I want to share my top Wagner paint sprayer recommendations with you. Wagner's paint sprayers were the very first sprayers I used, and I find myself coming back to them even after using other brands or high-end professional paint sprayers. Check the description for links to these sprayers and more information on each sprayer. First up is the Wagner Flexio 5000, a high-performance handheld paint sprayer designed for serious DIYers and professionals. It's lightweight and easy to handle thanks to the motor on the floor. Plus, it can spray thick paint without thinning, making your job so much easier. With 2 nozzles for different projects, though I only use the detail finish nozzle for painting furniture, a powerful motor, easy cleanup, and 3 spray patterns, this sprayer is perfect for all kinds of projects. However, keep in mind that it is a bit loud, just like every other tool, and the hose can be tricky to work with. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Wagner Flexio 3500 is an excellent choice. This sprayer is an upgrade from the Flexio 3000 and performs just as well as expensive professional paint sprayers. The only difference between the 3000 and the 3500 really that I can see is this power switch that helps prevent the splattering that you can get with the 3000 when you start to spray. These sprayers are basically the same sprayer as the Flexio 5000 without the hose and motor on the floor. The 3500 also comes with 2 nozzles and adjustable settings, making it great for all skill levels. Although it does have a short cord, it is compatible with extension cords, giving you portability and flexibility that you need. Finally, for those on a tighter budget, the Wagner Control Spray Double Duty model is perfect for smaller furniture projects. It can only spray thinner paint, so you do have to use the included viscosity cup to thin your paint to the right thickness. But when thinned correctly, it still provides a fine finish. This sprayer is more geared towards spraying stain, but you can still use it for paint. Just remember that it doesn't have all the settings and the power that the Flexio sprayers have. Honestly, Wagner paint sprayers are fantastic choices for furniture makeovers, whether you're a beginner or a pro. The Flexio 5000 is great for lightweight handling, while the 3500 offers an affordable alternative. For a tighter budget, double duty paint sprayer can get the job done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and check out our other helpful videos in the description. Not sure what supplies you need for your furniture flip? We got you. Click the link in my comment to download our free list of must-have supplies that we use every day to paint furniture.